IPL 2024 is getting interesting day by day because there are certain teams who have taken their calculators out in order to calculate how they can reach to the top four. And one of those teams is Delhi Capitals. But first up, a big challenge awaits them, and that is Lucknow Super Giants. Now, Delhi Capitals will have to beat Lucknow Super Giants in order to stay awake and alive in the race to the playoffs. If we talk about Delhi Capitals, they have only one match left in the league stage and they can get to maximum of 14 points. But the biggest challenge for them is their net run rate. The net run rate is minus 0.482, which is a really bad net run rate in terms of the teams who are competing for those two spots in top four. Because if we talk about the top two spots, Kolkata Knight Riders are already there. Rajasthan Royals are also with 16 points, and it's going to be a tough game between Chennai Super Kings and Royal Challengers Bengaluru. But what Delhi Capitals want? Not in order to qualify for the top four, Delhi Capitals would want Sunrisers Hyderabad to lose their next two games with a big margin, with a huge margin. Which means that Sunrisers Hyderabad will have to pull off really pathetic and bad performances in their next two matches, which I really don't think so will be possible given the way Sunrisers Hyderabad have been performing. But that's one thing that Delhi Capitals would want. Then second thing, what they would want is that Chennai Super Kings to beat Royal Challengers Bengaluru on 18th of May. And then Lucknow Super Giants to win only one match. Now, it's a game of margins, isn't it? Barest of margins. So if I talk about Delhi Capitals, if they want Sunrisers Hyderabad to lose their next two matches, then it will come down to the margins. Because in that match also, SRH will have to have a loss of combined 150 runs. And that will happen only when the first team, the team which will be batting first, will have to score 200 or more runs. Which means that Sunrisers Hyderabad will have to perform really badly and then they will have to lose their matches. And then comes Lucknow Super Giants. Delhi Capitals will have to beat Lucknow Super Giants by 64 runs. If that happens, by 64 runs or more, if that happens, then only there will be an outstanding chance of Delhi Capitals to be in top four. Other than that, it's end of the tournament for Delhi Capitals because they had some rough performances at the beginning of the tournament. They had some good ones as well, but for now, Delhi Capitals are in a spot of bother where they must be looking out for other teams' performances. But first up, they'll have to perform exceedingly well against Lucknow Super Giants in order to defeat them from 64 runs or more. So that's how your team, Delhi Capitals, can reach to the playoffs. Other than that, it's going to be the end of road for them.